Yeah, it's okay. It's just fine. So put the pill on where your tongue is, and then take a sip.
I don't have a tongue.
Try it and see. You don't know. Maybe it's still there. Maybe it's there.
I don't have a tongue, Ryan.
I think you still do. I think we just don't know it yet.
I don't have a tongue.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Let me see.
Is it there?
I think it's there. You're not opening up all the way, but I think it's there. It's okay.
Okay. It's
Try
there.
taking. Yep.
Okay.
Try taking your
I
pill.
was so nervous
I know you were.
about that.
Put the pill where your tongue would be. Okay. You're fine. You're good
Okay,
now.
let me stop crying and then I
Okay.
will.
Okay.
Okay. I don't want to have an ugly cry face.
I don't want you to either, but it's not. It's not an ugly cry
I'm
face.
a bubble.
You boo a bubble?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's cute.
Okay.
All right. You better take a deep breath.
I'm nervous.
Just take a deep breath. There you go. There you go. You feel better now?
I do.
That's good.
I
Okay.
do,
Put that on your
honey.
tongue and take a sip. There it is.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Tongue.
Yeah, you got a tongue. Do you feel it?
I think so. I
Awesome.
did it, baby.
Good job. Can you give me a fist pump? That was awesome.
And blow it up.
Oh, blow it up.
I
Okay.
did it.
You nailed it.
I
That was awesome.
worried about it, honey.
You got
and I
another one
did
now. We're
it.
going to try it, okay?
Okay.
Go for number 2. And then I got a
This
couple
is
more.
a big one.
But it'll go down easy. I promise.
It's gonna make me feel better.
Yep.
I'm gonna get it.
There you go.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. 2 for 2.
I did it.
Good job.
honey.
Now I got a couple more you gotta take.
More?
Yeah,
Oh my
I'm sorry.
gosh. I don't even know how I'm gonna do it. Oh gosh.
But it's all gonna
there's
make you better. Yep.
more.
We have 3 more, and that's it for now.
The
Okay.
gauze feels so wet.
It's okay. They got spit all over them. It just happens.
Okay. Just this one.
That's gonna be easy. No, I have 2 more. Same,
Oh,
just like it.
God.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Why?
Look, they're gonna go down really fast, and it's gonna help you to feel better. Okay. Just do it and get it over with. Just go.
Okay.
You gotta trust me. Go ahead. Your tongue's still there.
I did it.
Good job.
Oh, I did it.
Good job. Here you go. Backdoor it with this one. You're on a roll. You're on a roll. Ooh.
I did it.
One
again.
more. The last one. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Yes. Good job, baby. Nailed it.
Made my gauze feel so wet.